going to show you how to generate a realistic image with Canva, with this new feature that Canva just added in their app. If this is what you are interested to know, please do well to stay to the end of this video and also subscribe to my channel. You're welcome again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate a realistic image in Canva with this new feature that Canva just introduced. If you are just coming across my video, please do well to subscribe and like this video. Please also share it for others to benefit from the video. If you are my old subscriber, thank you for always staying by and thank you for always watching my video. Let's dive into the video of the day. So here, this is my Canva. If you are just coming across this video or you have not known what is Canva, I've done a lot of video on how to use Canva. There's a lot of things I'm going to be showing you in today's video. So if you are just coming across this video, please watch my video on how to use Canva. From there, you will be able to navigate through all these things. If you don't know how to use Canva, please do well, go to your browser and install and type canva.com. It's going to bring you out. It's going to come up for you, then show you where you can sign in, and then you will get yourself into this interface. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate a realistic image. And firstly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to this place. I'm already here. This is Magic Studio. This is where I am, and like I said, I'm going to show you how you can generate a realistic image. So when you come down to when you are open Magic Studio, you will see Magic Write. I've done a video on Magic Write, and I also done a video on a lot of things that is here, a lot of features that are here. So in today's video, like I said, so when you come down, you will come to this place. You will see this Dell.E, an image generator by OpenAI. This it enables you to generate a realistic image for your video. If you're a cocktail seller or a photographer or a videographer or whatever content that you're creating that require image, this feature is going to allow you to operate and create your image. So in this place, I'm going to open here, like they write here, they say generate realistic image and art using what? AI. So as you can see, they're already showing you example on how to do it. So I'm going to tell it to use a new design. Then I'm going to take this video. So coming to this place, it has opened. As you can see here, it says start with a detailed description of what you want to say. So like you saw there, it said I should start and I should describe what I want to generate. I should describe the kind of images I want. Now I'm going to go to ChatGPT to generate the text I want. Or better still, I'm still going to generate the text I want within there. So let's go back into there. So here, as it told me to generate the image I want, when you open it says start with a detailed description, like I said before. Then when you also see here, it will tell you that you should try an example made with this doll.e. Then if you want to generate something first to test it, you can say surprise me and click on it, then tell it to generate. As you see, it has generated an art which is panda made scientists mixing sparkling chemicals, and they call it a digital art. If I tell it to, if I want it to fill this page, I'm going to expand it. Now come to edit image, then tell it to expand. Then go and take my 16:9, then tell it to expand. Did you see what it generates for me? This art is so beautiful, but this is not really what I want to do. Let me allow it to finish. So anyone you like is changing automatically, so I can as well choose anyone I want in that place. But that's not that's not what I want to generate, so I'm going to delete it. So I finished typing my text. The next thing I'm going to tell it to do is to generate. Okay, did you see? So what I'm going to do here is to expand it, then come to edit image, tell it to magic expand, then take the type of size I want. Did you see? Did it look beautiful? This looks so nice. So now they're giving me different style that I want. If I want this, I can take it. Anyone I want, I can choose it. then tell it done. Then go back to this one too, expand it, go to edit image, go to magic expand, freedom. If you want it to be free whole page, the size I want, of course my normal size, expand. Did you see? So which one I want going to take? I'm taking this first one. Then I will come down and tell it to what? Done, and it's going to give me that. If I want to click on this, because this is the one I want to work with, come back to this place. Since I've already duplicated this page, come back to this place. Now I've added something. Let's see. Did you see this one? Let's open this and see. Did you see this? So I can choose any one that I like, but I like this because the side are not blur. Now, since I said a mirror, glowing part surrounded by an overgrowth of colors, coral and sea paint, then I can say a circle neon portal is at the end of the path with rolling cloud inside. Then I will now say man walk through. Okay, you see this too. This is beautiful too. Do the same thing. All right. See, I done the same thing here, and tell it to done. So I'm going to come back here. Did you see it? Is it not beautiful? Is this not beautiful? This is how you can generate your realistic image with Canva, this new feature that Canva just added to their app. If you enjoy this video and you get value in this video, please do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also share this video. Please don't forget to share this video. Share this video so that others can also benefit. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.